Most people are taught to think in tasks. Finish this. Complete that. Check the box. Tasks end. Systems continue. Welcome back to the Dirt Floor MBA. On today's episode, we're discussing why builders think in systems because tasks don't scale. But before we get into that, a brief message from our sponsor, Management Solutions. This episode is supported by Management Solutions. We document real systems, off-grid power, fabrication, food, and self-reliance built under real constraints. No hype, no theory, just what works and why. If you're building something real, on land, in a shop, or inside a system, and you want guidance, design support, or strategic input, you can reach me directly at ifimayems@gmail.com. The correct spelling is in the description below. That's Management Solutions, systems over sales. And now, back to the show. A task requires attention every time it appears. A system absorbs repetition. Tasks create decision fatigue. Systems remove it. Builders don't rely on memory or motivation. They design environments that carry the load. Motivation is unreliable. Energy fluctuates. Focus breaks. Life intervenes. Systems are built to survive bad days. A well-designed system continues to function even when performance dips. Builders don't eliminate failure. They design for recovery. When systems repeat, problems surface quickly. Bottlenecks appear. Weak points are exposed under use. Failure becomes information. This is why builders document what works. Documentation is not for memory. It is for repeatability. What can be repeated can be delegated. What can be delegated can scale. Systems externalize judgment. Decisions are made once, then embedded. Execution no longer depends on mood or willpower. Builders don't ask, "Do I feel like doing this?" The system already answered. This is why systems outlast habits. Habits depend on discipline. Systems depend on design. Design survives inconsistency. Motivation does not. Systems are not complicated. They are deliberate. They replace repeated decisions with structure. They turn effort into output. Builders think in systems because reality demands it. Systems don't prevent failure. They make failure useful. That usefulness compounds. This is how builders create stability in unstable conditions. By designing what continues to work when they stop thinking about it. The system failed. Builders will rebuild it with a better system.